Given that you're looking for ways to make money online, I suppose it's only natural that you're here. In today's video, we will earn a significant amount of PayPal money simply by listening to recordings online. So, assuming that you're still doubtful, stick with me to the end so we can figure it out together. You can put a deposit on something you've desired for a long time, such as a computer or a new phone. With that goal in mind, you must watch this short video carefully so that I can show you how to create money and lead you to the lifestyles you desire. This method is available to anyone wherever on the planet. There are no prerequisites in terms of talent or experience. This strategy may not make you a millionaire, but it is likely the greatest alternative for a beginner. If you're only searching for a means to supplement your income, this strategy is also effective. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step because I want to make sure that you have a good chance of succeeding with each strategy that I show you. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. First, I want you to head on to your browser and type in rapidworkers.com. RapidWorker is a crowdsourced carrier with more than 100,000 employees. It says here that they help individuals, small groups, and professionals to create low-value exposure and advertising and marketing campaigns to boost sales to better their ranking backlinks. Now, you want to join up as a worker on this site. Browse to the micro jobs that they have on here, pick out the activity that you like, do tasks, and post proof. After that, you can earn your cash through this website. You can cash out by using PayPal or the other payment methods that you can see right here. Now, I'm going to show you the process of signing up to look and learn more. For now though, we should return to the video, click on this button, and it should lead you to this page. Here, I need you to fill in all the data that it needs, so type in your name, email address, your password, and select your country. You can see from this rundown of nations that they are really accepting candidates from everywhere in the world. This simply demonstrates that this technique is for sure something that you can do from any place in the world. Once you're done, I need you to affirm or confirm that you're not a robot and you're pretty much done setting up your account. Do remember these principles that they have set up for you and make a point to adhere to these guidelines so you have extra energy dealing with the site. They're really straightforward in any case. 1. You're not permitted to use VPN or then again some other kind of concealing IP program. You're not permitted various records with a similar IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. You're additionally not permitted a similar IP utilized with different records to do tasks. You're likewise not permitted to take care of responsibilities that are related to the country that you're not from. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Remember that on the off chance that you defy any of these norms, it may very well get you prohibited, so don't burn through your time attempting to swindle the framework. Again, I truly encourage you to adhere to these standards so you don't squander this chance. It is better to be protected than sorry. So whenever you've made your record, they will request that you affirm your email, so browse your email inbox and click on the connection on the email that they've sent to you. You can now check your record and simply sign in. As you can see right now, this is what your dashboard looks like. And on top, you can monitor many things like your all-out stores, and your absolute withdrawals, and a lot of other stuff as well. Here are some things that I may have neglected to share before. You can really get compensated $1 to $5 just by joining, and acquiring potential on the site is totally unbelievable. In addition, you can do this constantly, there's no restriction, as you can see. When you look through the page, you can see that there are undertakings that you can do, and every one of them have their separate installments. They are truly straightforward. You can see the sum that you can procure for each task, and the measure of time that you may spend getting done with the job. Every one of them in reality just requires a few minutes. The greater part of them requires 3 minutes in length or under 10 minutes. As an afterthought here, you can likewise see the individual nations that these assignments are accessible in reasonable notice. However, look out for the tasks that aren't marked global or not named by the country of your starting point. Keep in mind that it's contrary to the principles to take on positions that are not implied for your own country, so keep your eyes out for the worldwide ones, particularly if you remember that I said that our center will be taking care of tasks that include recordings. So to do that, on the search bar here, I need you to look for YouTube and click on this button. At that point, sort the positions as per how much cash you could possibly make from finishing them. Click on that, and that way we will actually want to see the most lucrative assignments first. Right now, how about we see here that there are really undertakings that pay you this much cash, and it'll just require you a brief period of time. This implies that you can achieve various tasks in simply a span of an hour. For instance, wouldn't you say that this is extraordinary? Now, as an illustration, we should investigate this assignment here, and it'll pay us this much cash to achieve it in this much time, and so we should tap on that, and as you can see, it'll lead us to this page. Here, we will want to actually see all the data. We should have the option to finish this task. Now, all you have to do is to adhere to every one of the directions to follow through with a job, and whenever you're done, you'll get compensated, and you've seen it yourself. That's all there is to it. Simple. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.